You might not think about them often, but your kidneys are working tirelessly every day, playing a crucial role in keeping you healthy. From filtering waste to balancing electrolytes, they are your body's unsung heroes. But what happens when they're burdened with toxins from our environment, diet, and lifestyle? It's time to turn to nature's pharmacy for some powerful kidney detox solutions. In today's video, we're diving into the world of herbal remedies, specifically targeting those incredible, hard-working organs, your kidneys. We'll explore 5 amazing herbs that are not just easy to find, but are also incredibly effective in cleansing and detoxifying your kidneys naturally. These herbs could be the key to reversing kidney damage and boosting your overall health. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and natural remedies. Dandelion. Dandelion, a herb often regarded as a simple garden weed, holds a treasure trove of health benefits, particularly for the kidneys. Historically, dandelion has been used in various cultures for its medicinal properties. It has been a staple in traditional Chinese medicine, Native American remedies, and in ancient Arab medicine for treating liver and kidney disorders. One of the key properties of dandelion that makes it so beneficial for kidney health is its natural diuretic ability. This means it helps increase urine production, aiding the kidneys in flushing out excess water, salt, and waste. This process is crucial in preventing and dissolving kidney stones, reducing swelling, and even helping to lower blood pressure. The diuretic effect of dandelion was substantiated in a 2009 human study, where the ingestion of high-quality fresh leaf extract of dandelion increased urine volume within just 5 hours. Beyond its diuretic properties, dandelion is also rich in antioxidants. These compounds are vital in protecting kidney cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can lead to chronic kidney disease. The antioxidants in dandelion help reduce fibrosis and scarring in kidney tissues, slowing down the progression of kidney disease. Incorporating dandelion into your diet is quite simple and can be quite enjoyable. Dandelion tea is a popular choice and can be brewed by steeping fresh or dried dandelion leaves or roots in hot water for about 10 minutes. This tea can be a soothing and beneficial addition to your daily routine. Alternatively, fresh dandelion leaves can add a unique flavor and nutritional boost to salads, smoothies, or juices. They not only enhance the taste, but also contribute significantly to kidney health. Parsley. Parsley, often seen as just a garnish on the plate, is actually a powerhouse of nutrients with significant benefits for kidney health. This vibrant green herb is not only a culinary delight, but also a medicinal marvel, particularly when it comes to supporting the kidneys. Parsley is rich in antioxidants, which are crucial for combating oxidative stress in the kidneys. Oxidative stress is a condition where there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cell damage. This can be particularly harmful to the kidneys, which are responsible for filtering and detoxifying the blood. The antioxidants in parsley, such as luteolin, apigenin, and vitamin C, help neutralize harmful free radicals, thereby reducing the risk of kidney damage and disease. Moreover, parsley has been shown to have a diuretic effect, which aids in flushing out toxins from the kidneys. This is particularly beneficial in preventing and treating kidney stones and urinary tract infections. By increasing urine production, parsley helps to cleanse the kidneys and urinary tract, ensuring that they function efficiently. Incorporating parsley into your diet is both easy and beneficial. One simple way is to sprinkle chopped fresh parsley over your meals, adding a burst of flavor and a nutritional boost. It can be added to salads, soups, and stews, or used as a garnish on virtually any dish. Another excellent way to enjoy the benefits of parsley is by making parsley tea. To prepare this, boil water and add a 1/4 cup of fresh or dried parsley leaves. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, then strain. This tea can be a soothing and detoxifying addition to your daily routine. Ginger. Ginger, a well-known spice with a distinctive flavor, is also a potent medicinal herb, especially beneficial for kidney health. Its medicinal properties have been valued for centuries in various traditional medicine systems around the world. One of the key benefits of ginger for the kidneys is its ability to reduce oxidative stress. This is crucial because oxidative stress is a major contributor to kidney damage and dysfunction. Ginger contains powerful antioxidants like gingerol, which help in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants protect the kidneys from damage and can improve their function. Additionally, ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, which are beneficial in reducing inflammation in the kidneys. Chronic inflammation can lead to various kidney problems, including chronic kidney disease. By reducing inflammation, ginger helps in maintaining healthy kidney function. Ginger can be easily incorporated into your diet in various ways. Fresh ginger root can be grated or sliced and added to dishes for a flavorful and healthful boost. It can be used in stir-fries, soups, and even smoothies. Another popular way to consume ginger is by making ginger tea. Simply slice or grate some fresh ginger and boil it in water for about 10 minutes. You can add honey or lemon for additional flavor. This tea not only benefits the kidneys, but also provides a soothing and warming effect. Nettle. Nettle, often perceived as a mere stinging plant, is in fact a valuable herb with a long history of medicinal use, particularly for kidney health. This herb has been utilized in various traditional medicine practices for its ability to address a range of kidney-related issues. One of the most notable properties of nettle is its anti-inflammatory effect. Inflammation is a common response to various kidney ailments, including infections and chronic kidney disease. Nettle contains compounds like flavonoids, sterols, and lignans, which have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help in reducing inflammation in the kidneys, thereby aiding in maintaining their health and functionality. Nettle is also renowned for its role in preventing kidney stones, a common kidney issue. Kidney stones are hard mineral deposits that form in the kidneys and can cause severe pain and urinary problems. Nettle helps in preventing the formation of these stones by increasing urine output, which aids in flushing out the minerals and salts that can form stones. Additionally, nettle's diuretic properties help in cleansing the kidneys, removing waste and toxins more efficiently. Preparing and using nettle tea is a simple and effective way to harness the benefits of this herb for kidney health. To make nettle tea, add dried or fresh nettle leaves to boiling water and let them steep for about 10 minutes. This process extracts the beneficial compounds from the leaves, resulting in a nutrient-rich tea. Strain the leaves and enjoy the tea either hot or cold. You can enhance the flavor with honey or lemon. Regular consumption of nettle tea can be a beneficial addition to a kidney-healthy diet. Turmeric. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in cooking, is also a powerful herb for kidney health, primarily due to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making turmeric an excellent herb for supporting kidney health. Curcumin plays a significant role in reducing inflammation, a common issue in various kidney diseases. Chronic inflammation can lead to kidney damage and impair their function. The anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin help in alleviating inflammation in the kidneys, thereby aiding in their proper functioning and preventing damage. Moreover, curcumin is effective in protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cell damage. This can be particularly harmful to the kidneys. The antioxidant properties of curcumin help in neutralizing these free radicals, thereby reducing the risk of kidney damage and improving kidney health. As we wrap up our journey through these 5 remarkable herbs, remember that your kidneys are vital to your overall well-being. Incorporating dandelion, parsley, ginger, nettle, and turmeric into your diet can be a simple yet powerful way to support your kidney health. Each of these herbs brings its unique blend of benefits, working together to cleanse, detoxify, and rejuvenate your kidneys. Your journey to better kidney health starts with small, consistent steps, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Don't forget to share your experiences or any questions you might have in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning about your health journeys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on natural health and wellness. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is taking care of your overall health.